Monday, August 25th, near Willow Creek. Finally, a break from this incessant marching. We have been on the move since first light, and the men are becoming weary from the difficult trek through these dense woods. Kruniak, our commander, insists we keep these pauses to a minimum if we are to reach the town of Willow Creek before midday. It was only yesterday that we entered the town of Tallow, seeking rest after a month spent patrolling the southern regions of the Wild River. But our respite was cut short when the mayor beseeched us to investigate reports of grave robbing around the villages just north of Forest Heart. Kruniak, who seems to be more interested in political maneuvers than military ones, agreed to look into the matter. I am sure it will prove to be yet another unfounded rumor, no doubt caused by wild dogs searching for their evening meal in the newly turned earth of a graveyard. Alas, that is the life of a soldier these days, chasing hoodlums and thieves and making sure the nobility get their due. I have only a few moments before I must go. Columns of black smoke have been spotted rising above the woods between us and Willow Creek. Our commander is rallying the troops for the final leg of our morning journey.
We're moving. Yes, sir. Yes. Got it.
Get away from me! Under attack! Run for your lives!
Yes. We're moving. Yes, sir.
Stay away!
Got it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're moving. Ready.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Move over.
Watch your fire! We're moving. Yes. Yes. Got it.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're moving. Yes, sir. Got it. Yes, sir.
Get away from me!
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're moving. Yes, sir.
Help!
Stand clear.
Yes. Got it.
Stay away!
Yes, sir.
Catch!
Yes, we're moving.
Ah! Get away from me!
Yeah.
Ah! Stay away! Ah!
Yes, sir. Let's get him.
Stay away!
Yes, sir.
Get away from me! Stay away!
Your orders on my way. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Get away
Got
from
it.
me!
Please, 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 please don't eat me. Okay.
Sir, we're moving.
Ah!
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes.
Ah! Get away from me!
Yes, sir. We're moving.
Mike up now. Okay.
Get away from me!
Yes.
Help!
Move
away.
it.
We're on it.
Help!
Okay.
Stay away!
Move here, move there.
Yes, sir.
Help!
Yes, sir. We're on it.
Okay.
Get away! Get
Move
away
here,
from me!
move
Get away from me!
Yes, sir.
Get away
Yes.
from me!
Yes, sir.
Make up your mind. Yes, sir.
Got it.
Ah!
We're on it.
Get away from me!
Yes.
Let's go. Let's get him.
Move here, move there.
We're moving. Yes, sir.
Ah!
Yes, sir. Yes.
Stay away!
Yes, sir.
Help! Stay away! Ah!
Yes, sir.
Stay away!
We're moving. Yes, sir.
What now?
Get away from me! Get
Stand
away
clear.
from me!
Catch!
Ah!
Let's get
Help!
him.
What?
Help! Stay away! Get away from me! Stay away! Help!
We're moving.
Ah!
Got it. Yes.
Help! Stay away! Ah!
Yes.
Stay away!
We're moving. Yes, sir.
Please, 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 please don't eat me. Okay.
Help!
Yes, sir. Make up your mind. Yes.
Yes, sir. Got it. Yes.
Move here. Move there.
Got it. Yes.
What now? Yes, sir.
Got it. Yes. Got it. Got it. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Ah! Stay away!
Yes.
Help! Get away
Yes.
from me!
Got it.
Ah!
Okay.
Stay away!
Move here. Move there. Yes, sir.
Help!
Get out of the way.
Stay away!
We're moving.
Ah!
What?
Stay away!
Incoming! Sir. Yes.
Ah!
Okay. Move here. Move there.
We're on it. Yes.
I got a wife and kids!